Welcome back to our Canva tutorial series. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful Canva tips that can help you design faster, work more efficiently, and create professional-looking designs with minimal effort. We'll also explore a few creative techniques for making your videos more engaging. So, let's get started with our first tip, timeline alignment. When you're moving an element on the Canva timeline, you'll notice purple dotted guidelines appearing automatically. These are Canva's smart alignment guides. They help you position elements precisely by snapping them to slide boundaries, adjacent elements, or the center of the page. These guides are especially useful when working with videos. If clips aren't aligned correctly on the timeline, you may accidentally leave tiny gaps between them, resulting in unwanted blank frames during playback. To avoid this, simply drag the selected clip until the purple alignment guide appears. This ensures that your clips are perfectly joined without any gaps. Our next tip is all about alignment and tidy up, two simple features that can instantly make your designs look clean and professional. When you have multiple objects selected, click on Position. From here, you can align the objects to the left, right, top, bottom, or center with a single click. You can also use Tidy Up or Space Evenly to automatically distribute equal spacing between multiple elements. Instead of manually adjusting every object, Canva takes care of the alignment and spacing for you in just one click. Now, let's move on to a very useful Canva search trick. Most users search Canva elements using only basic object names like car or tree, but Canva search is much more powerful than that. You can also search using attributes such as color, style, material, texture, or even the overall mood of an element. For example, instead of simply searching for chair, try keywords like wooden chair, blue chair, 3D chair, minimal chair, or watercolor flowers. These descriptive searches help you find exactly the type of element you're looking for, reducing the time spent scrolling through thousands of results. Some useful keywords include abstract, comic, watercolor, paintbrush, 3D. You can also search by category using terms such as landscape, nature, weather, travel, people, background, or texture. And here's one more handy tip. If you find an element you like, open its details to view the keywords associated with it. You can use those keywords to discover similar elements with the same style, making it much easier to maintain a consistent look throughout your design. Our next tip is understanding the difference between raster and vector graphics. Knowing this can make a big difference when designing in Canva. Raster graphics are regular photos and images, such as JPG and PNG files. They're made up of tiny colored pixels arranged in a fixed grid. Because of this, if you enlarge them beyond their original size, they become blurry or pixelated. In most cases, you also can't change their colors. Vector graphics, on the other hand, are created using mathematical shapes and paths instead of pixels. This means they can be resized to any size without losing quality, making them perfect for logos, icons, illustrations, and other design elements. In Canva, many of the graphics found under the Elements tab, such as icons, shapes, and illustrations, are vector graphics. A simple way to identify them is selecting the element. If you see one or more color boxes in the toolbar, it's a vector graphic. You can edit these colors to match your own branding or design theme. So whenever you need flexibility and complete control over colors, choose vector graphics instead of raster images. Our next tip is all about 3D elements in Canva. 3D graphics add depth, dimension, and a realistic perspective to your designs, making them far more engaging than standard flat graphics. Canva includes a dedicated library of interactive 3D elements, and either select the 3D category or simply search for 3D. One of the best features of these elements is that you can interact with them directly. Simply click on a 3D object and drag your mouse to rotate it, allowing you to choose the perfect viewing angle for your design. Let's learn a creative Canva trick to create a dynamic zoom in and zoom out animation using a collage of photos. Start by selecting a suitable background. In this example, we'll use a wooden texture. Next, add several photos from the Uploads panel and arrange them in different sizes and orientations to create an attractive collage. Once you're happy with the layout, save the collage as an image. Now create a new video project. On the first slide, display the entire collage. Then, duplicate the slide several times. On each slide, zoom in and, if needed, rotate the image to focus on a different photograph. Finally, end the sequence by returning to the full collage on the last slide. To create smooth camera movements between slides, apply the Match and Move transition to every slide. Since the default slide duration of 5 seconds is a bit slow for this effect, reduce the duration of each slide to around 2 seconds for a more dynamic and engaging animation. Now, let's play the video and see the final result. Let's learn another creative Canva trick to create a smooth scrolling photo reel. Start by selecting a suitable background for your design. Next, add a film reel graphic from the Elements library and duplicate it so that there's enough space to display 6 photos in a continuous sequence. Now, select your photos from the Uploads panel or the Elements library. Resize each photo to fit neatly into the individual film frames and position them accordingly. Once everything is in place, select the entire reel and group all the elements together. Grouping allows you to resize, move, and animate the entire photo reel as a single object. Since the reel is much longer than the slide, a large portion of it will extend beyond the visible canvas. That's exactly what we want for the scrolling effect. To create a custom animation, first zoom out the canvas so you can see the entire reel. Then, place your cursor on the slide, hold the Shift key, and drag the grouped reel horizontally from right to left until the last photo comes into view. Be sure to start dragging while your cursor is still on the slide. This allows Canva to correctly record the path animation. After the path is created, you can fine-tune the motion using the smooth or steady options to achieve the scrolling effect you want. Now let's play the video and see the final result.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.